In this video, I'm going to show you how to book flights in Nigeria if it's your first time, right? So this video is basically for educational purpose only. So this is the kind of videos I love making, educational content, right? So at first you need to have the flight you want to use, right? So there are a whole lot of different airlines. They have the Air Peace, they have the United Nigeria, they have the Ippon Air, like there's a whole lot of them, right? So if you want to do this, like there's one that is pretty cool, right? So if you want to do this, you need to get the app of United Nigeria Airlines, right? On your phone, on your mobile phone, or your iPhone, or your smartphone, right? So open it, right? So this is it. If it's your first time, watch what I'm going to do right now. So you're going to click on book a flight, right? So let's say if you want to travel from, let's say from Enugu to, let me say to Lagos, right? So you're going to choose a travel date, right? So if you're traveling on, let me say June 3rd, click on it, right? So there is the return, there is the one way, right? So if you want to like book it together, you want to go and come back, right? You can do this here, right? Or if you want to just travel just one way straight, right? So select your flying destination, select where you're flying to, select the date you want to travel, right? So I'm going to click on this. So you're going to select how many adults, right? If you have a friend you want to travel with, you can add it, maybe 2, right? But if it's only it's going to be 1, right? So click on search flight. So right now you're going to see different flights schedule durations with their prices, right? So if you're traveling on Tuesday, you're going to be paying 125,500, right? So we're going to just come on, you're going to select any day, right? And if you're traveling, let's say some weeks later, right, the price is going to be like a bit better for you, right? But if you want to travel immediately, it's going to be a bit higher, right? So if you're traveling, let's say on Friday 6th of June, select it, right? So once you are done, you're going to select the ticket you want, right? So there's economy, there's economic, there's business class, right? So you can just click on, let me say economy, right? Okay, I'll click on economic flex, right? So you're going to choose check flight, right? So if you're traveling with your friends, with your family, with your siblings, right, you can come on and add the person's details, right? So at first you need to add your detail, add your name. If you're a man, you add. If you're a woman, you add miss, right? Add your first name, add your last name, add your number, add your email, right? Click on the save. Once you have done all this, right, you're gonna see the details, right? This is it. So you're gonna just, let me say if I just add it, I'll just add Mr. Let me say I can use Mr. John, right? Mr. John Mark. So this is just for educational purpose. So click on this save, right? So just if you add your phone number and your email address, you're going to proceed with payment, right? That is going to be the next thing you're going to proceed with. So that's going to be the next thing. So once I've added up your details from here, okay, let me just add this up, right? I'll be like how to do biz, right? Let me just do this. So as I'm going to show you guys how to do this, right? How to biz at gmail.com, right? So be like Max, his name John, right? So you can add up any mobile number, right? So I'll just type in any number here, click on the save, right? So this is not my details, right? I'm just doing this for you to know, right? So click on the continue. So wait for it to load up. So right now you're gonna click on this, right? Choose a seat. So this is the flight, right? And if you look up here, you're gonna see different things, right? The blue is available, emergency restricted. So the ones that are currently unavailable, people have selected the seats, right? So you can just come on here, you can select your seat number, right? So if you look at the top, you're going to see Max John, right? So if you select this, right? So this can be your seat number. Click on select seats, right? So you can see booking your seat. So wait for it to load up. So I think the next thing you're going to do now is to click on this continue, right? So this is the final option, right? This is the final option. So complete your payment within 9 minutes, right? You're going to see the terms and condition. This is the terms and condition from here. So this is the policy. So just click on pay with Visa, right? So click on it. So this is going to load up the payment page and you're going to transfer to them, right? Once you transfer to them, you're going to receive an email notification that you have booked this flight, right? You can pay with your card, you can pay with bank transfer, you can pay with USSDC, right? You can pay with your OP, right? So this is basically how you can do this. If you found this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you all for watching through. I'm gonna see you all in the next video.